Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying access and collecting proof. This saves time later. Once you have manager access to the business profile, capture screenshots of the review, reviewer handle, and timestamp. Next, compare the content to Google's policy for spam, hate, or off-topic comments so you know the right removal channel. If the review is clearly against policy, flag it immediately. Otherwise, prepare a response and escalation package, because documentation will be essential when you contact support or submit a legal request. Now act. Flag the review in Google Maps using the flag as inappropriate link, because this triggers Google's review queue. While waiting, post a concise, professional public reply that acknowledges their concern and invites offline resolution. This shows future readers you care. If the flag didn't remove it within a few days, escalate by creating a business profile support case. Include your screenshots, policy reference, and a clear timeline. You can also request a review by Google's moderation team to speed resolution. Finish by choosing the final route. If it's defamatory or reveals personal data, file a legal removal request. Otherwise, persist with support follow-ups every 48 to 72 hours. Once removed, confirm all traces are gone and document the outcome. If Google refuses removal, consider mediation, asking the reviewer to edit or delete, and using reputation management strategies. Troubleshoot. If responses stall, escalate within business profile. Use social proof to dilute impact, or consult a lawyer for clear defamation cases. Don't let silence be your only plan.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.